yeah, yeah, yeah.
1 year later and 10,000 bodies surface from the dirt. Mothers, daughters, sons and fathers heavily absurd. Standing on the land we call the glorious and free. Well, can we still sing that roller coaster? Proudly with our unearthed history. I for one believe in what our nation can become if we can stand together now and lead ourselves with love. As we watch one man's greed cause endless bloodshed in the east and hear the cry of nations that have never come to peace. I say let's be a beacon of what freedom really means, to celebrate our differences and care for those in need, to look into the mirror and teach our own damned history, and never to forget the children buried underneath. As we sing, oh Canada, my heart is dim, but I still see you rising. And oh Canada, my heart is dim.
Yeah, I've been thinking of the way that you look like somebody that I need like all the time. Girl, I need you.